guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is changing column width or row heights with the help of VBA. Right, very quickly moving to my VBA editor. If you don't know how to open it, you just have to press Alt and F11. Right, I have closed my properties and Project Explorer windows. You might have that here, right? So I'm writing this code in a new module. If you don't know how to add the new module, you can click Insert and press on Module, right? Um, so yes, the code is pretty simple. That's why I have already written it. Nothing much to explain. You have to define the range first. So let's say if you want to change the column width of A, you have to mention that A1, or it is not necessary to just mention A1 always. Whatever you write, A2, A5, A10, or etc., it doesn't matter because the column is going to be same and we want to change the column width, right? So range A1 dot column width is equal to 10. Similarly, one more example of 20. Now, there might be cases where you don't know how much column width you require because the data can keep on changing, right? So that's why you can also change it to autofit, which is the next line. So range A1 dot columns dot autofit, right? So this way you can make it autofit. So based on your text, it will change the column width, right? Similarly for row heights, so yeah, before moving to row heights, if you want to change your column width of more than one column, so you can write that. For example, A1 to B1 or A1 to C1, right? So any number of columns you can write, um, right? Similarly, if we move to row height, you can see I have already written range A1 dot row height is equal to 10, right? So this is the first row which I want to change to 10, right? After that, you see I have written few more examples like range A1 to A9 dot row height is equal to 20 or row height is equal to 5. And in the last option, I have also shown autofit, same as columns autofit. You also have rows dot autofit, right? So I'll quickly run this by pressing F8 one by one to show you how it is changing. As you can see, the first column width increased and other two columns also increased, right? I'll now change it to 20. So you can see all this column A is increased to 20, right? I'll again change column A to autofit, right? So the autofit actually increased its width because the first text itself is very large, right? And so in this kind of cases, autofit won't be useful, but you can use the next line, which is 5. So I'm changing the column width to 5. Okay. Now I'll apply the row heights, right? So you can see the first row is now reduced. I'll change to 20. So you can see all column heights are now 20. I did 5, but nothing is visible. So I'll click on auto fit, okay, by F8, right? So this way, your project can be different where you have different ranges, but for column width or row heights, these are the only two codes which can be very useful to you in all kind of projects. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe to stay tuned for next videos. Thank you very much. Have a great day.